This is, yeah, this is really beautiful.
How many floors?
In Florida,
So we are on the 10th floor here on this building, on this complex. It is just so beautiful. I just love the view. Just to come out here in the morning and just relax. Oh my god, taking a little sunlight. I am so burned up. My skin are peeling right now the way
beautiful.
how I am burned up because I get up every morning and I go in the sun. In the evening I go in the sun and I didn't put on any sunscreen. So my next
Never
time on
travel.
vacation I will definitely bring sunscreen to cover my whole entire body. For sure.
And you could even walk across.
That's nice. Beautiful. Jesus Christ.
This is just a sneak peek of this place. It is so big. I can't video everything once. Like it's so big. I'm telling you, the whole it's huge. This is just a little piece of it. Trust me. If I should go through by floor by
But
Because
big.
sometimes, you know how there's this wonderful woman I first
Yeah.
who's like,
Beautiful and just want to
I've
be
done.
naked.
Yeah. You got the better one. I want to enjoy just, I want to hear
Exactly.
so because the beach is right there and all kind of you're hearing this noise in the background, so I have to turn it down a little bit. But look at this place, guys. Oh my gosh. Yep, it's giving me good.
Thank you so much. This side juice, did you drink some tea or coffee?
So as I'm here watching this beautiful video when we went to Cancun, I was telling my friend that my husband, every vacation he got, he's off to Jamaica, and I want to take him with some of the traveling that I love to travel, and this is just me. My husband is the opposite, so I have to push him to do these things. So you see, a lot of no can't do without me. Look how the place beautiful, beautiful. Not true, my danas. You don't like the place. Oh no, wait till me gone for my girls trip. Yes, oh my gosh. Cause when you're gone for your girls trip, your girls them you let loose. Yeah, you let loose by your girls trip. Anyways, I enjoy my stay here in Cancun. It was just beautiful. It's something that I will never forget. It's good memories that I build with my husband, and I enjoy every moment of it. Planning these activities for him to enjoy, it was a breath of fresh air because these are things that um so it was just magical for me to have him enjoy in vacation because he works very hard, and you have to be considerate as a woman and kind of know things that kind of will make your man be happy, and this was definitely a vacation worth spending. Yeah, when we go deep diving on the boat in the water for 25 minutes and I cannot swim, that was something new for me because I always never wanted to, go on boats and go underwater, especially so deep, knowing that I can't swim. That is a fear that I get over. So yeah, I'm ready to go on my next cruise because I experienced something and it was good. I always never wanted to go on a cruise, so it's amazing. So yeah, it's beautiful. It's just an experience um, that I experienced with my husband. I mean, I've done this before, going on the boat last year, same place here in Cancun, and with me and my bestie Gracie, and I enjoyed myself too. But this was a little bit different. It was more of an affection kind of vacation, build on our bond, and it's good to get away with your partner where you have no disturbance, no children, no family, no friend. That moment make you build a bond that is just magical. I enjoy every minute of it, and I feel like I want to go on vacation every day. Yeah, I kind of get him out of the comfort zone a little bit. He was like acrobatic when he was a kid. So you see how he flip himself upside down on the zip liner. I wouldn't do that because I am afraid of height. When it comes to the boat and stuff, yeah, he used to these kind of stuff. So this is not new to him. But when let's do video first.
Off we go. Very important.
What are you doing? You're looking at me.
Yeah, save me 200 for